Africa, with the tall trees, helping other animals. As the habitat. Like you see the monkey over there. Jumping from each branch to the other. And there are so many here at the place we are. But we dare not touch them. Because we don't know what the outcome might be. Africa is a blessed land. With so many human activities taking place and nature also doing its own on its own side. Look at the flows or the silent waters in the jungles that we never visit. So small. Who's gonna show you this? If you don't support the channel, subscribe to this channel. For you not to miss any video of our beautiful world. Beautiful species of trees, beautiful species of plants, beautiful species of animals, and so on. Subscribe to Mr. Adventure TV.
So natural,
Because
so natural.
we're gonna heal your soul with the beauty of nature.
And heal one.
When the nature is calm, things become calm. But when the nature decides to perform,
Very good.
then most families are displaced. But it's just because of lack of knowledge.
Yama is not here.
In natural places with beautiful strokes. I love this. Let me zoom you the leaves that you might want. Maybe you have its importance. And some I might not know. You see how women are always going through Now this one is supposed to graze, but the kid also wants to drink milk. Look at the flowing waters in the jungle. It's unbelievable. No fear, no care, but just a move
What's this one? You know
that makes everything move. They might not know that this water has been a blessing all along.
Very good.
Because it has wetted the soil around here to make it good for farming. Look at the clean water. Look. Breathtaking. All this I'm doing through my phone camera. So please watch the video to the end. Please like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe if you have not done so, because you love me and I love you.
Nyadondo Road. Nyadondo Road.
Nature is attractive only if you are attractive to it. Look at this. A very good place for bathing. Actually, inside this bridge, the water running over there is so clean. I love this flow. I love this flow. Look at this. It seems to be standing and not moving. But when we check this other side, it's flowing. Look at this side. It's like a fall. I love this blue. I love nature. with nature is unbreakable. But yeah, nature needs submission, but not too much, because it's moves when to change, when to act, and when to stay calm. The nights come, and it's not the strong, but one day it decides to perform. It will work thoroughly against humans. Let's embrace this thing. Embrace the nature. Give them their individuality. There is a reason for that.
Kwa
Yeah,
hiyo hadi banana ikiteremka. Men at work.
those are papyrus reeds. Papyrus seeds are used in making mats, sleeping mats. They are used in making trays, making seats.
This is stagnant water.
Has a lot of work.
Maybe nyocha the vinyama jaber ya.
Look at these
Very
trees,
beautiful, but look at it.
so clean. So good, so wonderful, wonderfully made. I tried to zoom this bird, but it couldn't reach me. Yes, look at how beautiful our earth is, the universe of hope. The natures of gold. The fertility of nature is uncompared. All the things that nature produces without the human activity
Lakini machaya
are so strong and healthy. To mean nature is real. Nature works for itself. It's
Fine.
humans
Very fine.
who are destroying the nature.